I had, oh, woo! What is up, everybody? I got a extra hot and spicy one for you guys today. As you probably, or will definitely see in the intro of this video, I came across a poor kid stranded in the middle of the road. Car was completely dead. His dad was in Crocs, and I think his girlfriend was there, maybe his sister, I don't know, but gotta hop off the bike and give him a hand. So yeah, you know, I'll probably play that clip, and let me just play the rest of it for you here. So enjoy that, and we'll get back to the ride. You guys need a hand? Need a hand? Yeah?
We're pushing up the hill, which is
It's easier for me to get off the bike than somebody to get out of a car. Ready?
Yeah, it's running again.
This is actually the second car on this road that's been stopped. I don't know what it is. I asked the other guys too.
a lot of shitty cars.
Yeah, it's starting shitty.
Yeah. Get ready to get this guy.
This driveway?
No. We're not making it past this. Get out of the road, Cody. Clear this guy's driveway.
That's right.
These are not good shoes for this. I would maybe cut it and let it roll back into here. I don't think we're getting this up here. Where's it got to go? That one?
I wonder if I push you with the whip. Thanks for helping.
No worries. Good luck. Well, that was interesting. I'm absolutely gassed. Kid's car broke down and should be a good person, stop and help. But now I'm exhausted. Holy crap. So we're gonna hop back on the bike before it gets run over and keep going with this. Alright, well, hopefully that was interesting. I actually, as you'll hear in that video, I had already come across somebody on that road that was stopped on the side of the road, and I offered to help them, but I think they were actually fine. I don't actually think they were like stopped for any maintenance issue or mechanical issue, but yeah, you know, look, being out on a bike, it's so much easier to stop if somebody needs help than a car. It's also, I think it's a little safer because I can really get my bike like off the road a lot easier. But you can't leave somebody hanging in the middle of the road, so I gave him a hand, helped him push. I will be honest with you, I am gassed from that. I need to really start freaking hitting the weights again because that beat me up. I was huffing for a while till I got down here. But yeah, look, lend a hand, be nice, pay it forward, you know, help people out when they need help. Unfortunately, we couldn't get him up that hill. There was absolutely no way. I think I was doing 100% of that pushing. But yeah, definitely interesting to come across stuff. I just figured I'd run the GoPro, and you might as well capture it. But today, what I actually am coming down for, I'm down here in Rhode Island. You'll see that reservoir over there. There's a beautiful road that I tried to record earlier this week, and I did record it, got a great ride, and realized that the mic, my helmet mic, was not fully plugged into the back of my GoPro. So I essentially did not get any of that. It was all just wind noise because it was using the external mic of the GoPro. So that was a huge disappointment. Oh, a little dual sport on the road. Very cool. So we're going to take that ride. It is a freaking awesome ride. It's a little lake road like practically all of my riding videos because everything around me is just lakes. But yeah, it's great. Super windy. There's like a really slow, windy section that is like really low speed, but it's awesome. Like it's such a fun road to ride. Finally the sun's back out. We had some crazy rain again, and yesterday was absolutely gorgeous. Wasn't able to get out and film, but it was beautiful when I left my house. And of course now it's like getting overcast, and it's honestly, it is like chilly fall weather up here today. It is very cool out, so it does feel like nice. I'm in a long sleeve though for the first time in quite a while on the bike. Oop, literally almost just tipped my bike. I don't know why I put my right foot down. But yeah, it's beautiful riding weather. You can't beat this. New England in like the early fall, late summer is just awesome. Like soon the leaves are going to turn too, and I'll probably hopefully just get some amazing footage of that. I got to map out some good rides and take you guys on. Yeah, I've been actually wanted to mention two things with the channel. One, I started an Instagram page, so if you're watching this and you want to go follow a cool page just about my bike and my gear and whatever, it's at massmotos_IG. You'll see my little Mass Motos logo. That's how you know it's my page. I love this causeway. It's pretty cool. Beautiful reservoir here. So yeah, go follow that if you can. I just post some pictures and questions and comments on gear and riding and whatever. I've been doing a little more, like, you'll notice maybe on my thumbnails are actually a bit better quality, because I've been actually using a camera now to take like much better thumbnail pictures. And you know, maybe this one included, we'll see. I always forget, like I don't have my camera on my back right now, so I'm not going to stop and like take a picture, but more likely than not, the thumbnail of this video will definitely, or you know, is I guess already, the kid stranded in the car. So yeah, that, and then the other update is the BSA. I know I haven't released another part on that build in a while. I've had half the engine case at a machine shop for like, I don't know, it's a good 2.5 weeks now. They're really slammed though, so like I can't really blame them. I did touch base with them this week, and they were hoping to get it back to me by the end of this week, which it is now Friday. So I don't think that's going to happen. I have not heard from them. But once that's back, I'm going to kind of reevaluate what I want to do next on the bike. Obviously the engine's not going back in yet. Oh, what is going on here? Don't know. I'm not going to put the engine back in the bike. Obviously there's I got a lot of parts I got to get for that. Like I need to replace the clutch, all the clutch plates and everything. But I'll update you guys as soon as I can on that. I want to make that content. Looking forward to getting that bike on the road. It's just such a long-term project that, you know, it's kind of tricky to do a lot of work on it all at once. You kind of have to plan it out and be slow about it. But those are the two like big channel updates. Just a beautiful day to get out, and I want to get you guys, you know, on this road. It's so gorgeous. If I can do more than 20 miles an hour, would be phenomenal. These people are like early leaf peepers, maybe. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but they call them leafers, or I think at least people come all the way up here just to look at the, you know, changing colors. Actually, some of these trees look like they're changing, which is pretty wild. Oh, they're going to the retirement home. This makes a lot of sense. Yeah, what else is going on? I don't know. My brain is kind of jumbled. I was like planning all the way down here, you know, what do I want to discuss, and then I end up getting a full workout in on the way in. Oh yeah, that's right. So I have a GoPro Hero 8 Black. That's what I use for all my filming. And it has Hyper Smooth 2.0. That's like, you know, it's supposed to be like audio or video stabilization without like a gimbal kind of thing. There is a function on it called Boost, and you can do like Hyper Smooth Boost, and I actually have that on for the first time today. So I'm really curious to see how this footage turns out. If I ruin this footage, I'm gonna be so mad, because this is the second time I've gotten down here, and it's not super close. It's not a far ride for me by any means, but I also, as you can see, I'm trying to squeeze this in the middle of the day. So yeah, it's like, we'll see if it's supposed to, or if it looks better. I hope it doesn't just look like really wonky. It's made for this though, like made for action filming and stuff, so we'll see if it's, you know, good or not. But let's get some good riding in here so I can actually focus. A lot of slow turns. I'll let you guys know when that section's coming up. That super slow section is amazing. I actually am in the process of uploading my first sort of like gear review. I actually take some time to sit down and go over my Icon Airflight helmet. So if you haven't seen that already by the time this video is posted, please do me a favor, go check that out. You know, let me know what you think. Do you guys have an Airflight? Do you like the Airflight? I probably mentioned it before. I'd really love to get a Ruroc helmet. I think they're really cool too. And I think the Airflight is a real competitor for that. This is the slow section, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It absolutely is. Look at these freaking turns, man. If you're anywhere near here, if you're in the Rhode Island, Massachusetts, you know, central eastern Mass area, let me know and I will let you know where this road is. It is so awesome. Like, I had, oh, woo! Jeez, what a day on the bike. Oh my God, that deer scared the absolute crap out of me. Wow. That would have been ugly, ugly if I hit that deer. That was pretty incredible. Dude, I don't know how I'm gonna pick a thumbnail for this video. There's so much stuff going on. Whew. But yeah, anyways, if you're in this area, let me know. And I will let you know where this road is. It's beautiful. You gotta ride it. It's a lot of fun. And honestly, I'm happy with how dry the road is compared to like all the rain we've gotten. I thought it wouldn't dry up very quick. I got what night was it? Thursday night, I want to say. No, today's Friday. Wednesday night. My town got 5 inches of rain overnight, which like is a lot of rain. So I'm surprised how everything is actually drained and dried around here. Ooh, that was a little slip on that dirt. I love turning around trees, like tight New England roads with trees all along the bends. I know it's scary because if you hit a tree that would really suck, but just so much fun to ride. Oh, these roads are just amazing. I feel like I'm getting a little more in a groove with YouTube in general and filming and like talking and getting used to hearing my own voice when I edit. That was such a weird thing at first. I was so uncomfortable. But like you just gotta go for it. I'm just trying to provide some authentic content, and especially on like today's video, you know, I'm not trying to put off any sort of persona of like a YouTube very polished like creator. I don't think anybody really cares to see that, and I honestly don't care to do that. It's a waste of my time. So let the mailman do his job, or mail lady potentially. Oh, yeah, it's been fun though. I'm really enjoying it. Like, just being able to share the content, share some roads. Damn, I tell you what though, I haven't ridden a road this windy in a while, and I'm a bit rusty. I'm definitely a little bit rusty on sort of my pace and my braking and timing and turning and everything. So you can feel free to critique all that in the comments. That's one thing so far. I literally haven't gotten any comments on any of my videos, which I understand. I mean, it's a small channel right now and I don't post a ton, and I don't even know if anybody likes the content very much, but I would love to just hear from anybody. Like, feel free to drop me a comment and ask me a question, a stupid question, anything about riding my bike or like the channel or me. I don't care. Happy to interact with some people. I actually I literally started an Instagram like a few days ago, and the first day I posted a picture, I had like several people comment on it and were like asking questions or replying to the question that I posed, which was cool. It was nice to have a conversation with some like motorcycle community folks, you know, like-minded riding people out there. It's just nice to connect, and I would love to connect with some riders in my area. Like, if anybody's in this area on YouTube that rides, please let me know. You know, I'd love to get out and ride with you. It'd be cool. It'd be cool to do like a first collaboration type thing, or even if you don't have a YouTube channel that you post videos, you know, I can include you. We can show off the bike. I'm happy to, like, you know, as long as you're a competent rider, I'd be happy to swap bikes for a little while. If you don't ride this and you ride something else, I'd love to do that. I'd love to review somebody's bike too. If you're gracious enough to offer that up in my area, I would love to get on some new bikes. And or not new necessarily, just different bikes, and, you know, kind of pose my opinion on it and see what I think of those, and expand my horizon outside of the MT-10 world a little bit. you know, I'd be really interested to do that. So definitely let me know. So as you can tell, we're a little ways away from the lake now. Yeah, this is a stop sign, I thought. This is kind of the end of that road. So I'm gonna bang a Ricky here and start heading back towards the main road, which on the last time I filmed this, I completely guessed correctly how to get back there this way. So yeah, I hope this wasn't too long-winded. I don't really pay attention to the time, to be honest, but I'm excited to post the video with the content of that car. It's kind of funny. So hey, honestly, if you've made it this far, I can't thank you enough. You know, I really, please engage with the content. I want to hear from people. I'm doing this as an outreach. It's the whole reason that I'm filming is to get involved with some more people, to meet some people, just talk about motorcycles in general as a passion. So yeah, as always, if you can take a second to subscribe, like the video, comment on it, let me know your thoughts. Wow, there's a lot of people out on the roads. I would really appreciate it. So guys, be safe as always. Please ride safe, enjoy your motorcycles, but do it within your limits. Until the next video, we will catch you guys later.